पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय खान्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद द्वितीय अध्याय पेज नंबर 484। The discussion is on what is the objective of this Ajatashatru teaching Balaki through Panipeshana and trying to wake up this person. So Bhashyakar Bhagavan said that the purpose is to show whether Jiva is different from Brahma or Jiva is one with Brahma, or there is some other sambandha like Bheda, different also and one also, like that. So in that, we saw the last portion in Tika. Savai veditavya iti atra na spashtam. Jivasya veditavyam tvam iha tu spashtam iti bheda. This is the difference, that here Jivasya veditavyatvam. Jiva is to be known further. Swapavasthat jiva jagat janma shrutehe तस्यैव वेद्यत्व दृष्टेश्च जगद हेतुरीश्वरो वेदांत वेद्यो नास्ति इति उक्ते स्वेश्वरवादी चोदयति. Seshwarvadi means the one who accepts Ishvara. Chodayati means he is asking or objecting. Swapavastha jivat Jagat Janma Shrutehe. Jagat Janma Shruti is from Swapa Avasthapanna Jiva. Means it is from Jiva. Only thing is Jiva has another Visheshana. Swapa Avastha Jiva. Jagat Janma Shrute. Tasyeva Vedyatva Drishtescha. And that is to be known. Tasya Vedyatvam, that is seen. Jagad hetu Ishvaro Vedanta Vedyo Nasti. Jagad hetu Ishvara, which is Vedanta Vedya, that is not true. Nasti iti ukte Sweshwarvadi chodayati. We have to see that there is one paragraph that we have to see. Sarva Vedanteshu cha in Bhashya. Pratyagatma Vedyataiva Pradarshyate Ahamiti Na Bahir Vedyata Shabdadivat Pradarsyate Asau Brahma iti. Sarva Vedanteshu Pratyagatma Vedyata eva Pradarsyate. In all the Vedanta, Pratyagatma should be known, like how the earlier quotations were given. Atma vare drashtavyaha, Atmanam eva upasita, Atmetya upasita, and Atmanam ched vijaniyat, etc. Pratyagatma vedyata eva pradarsyate, ahamiti na bahir vedyata. External thing you don't have to know. Like Shabdadivat na pradarshate. न बहिर्वेद्यता शब्दादिवत प्रदर्श्यते असौ ब्रह्म, दैट ब्रह्म, इन दैट वे यू डोंट हैव। तथा कौशितकीनाम एव न वाचं विजिज्ञासीत वक्तारं विद्यात् इत्यादिना वागादिकरणैर्व्यापृतस्य कर्तुरेव वेदितव्यतां दर्शयति। In Kaushitaki Upanishad, na vacham vijignasita. You don't have to know the vacha, the speech. Vacham na vijignasita. Then what should I know? Vaktaram vidyat. You should know the vakta. In between, if you want, you put comma. Otherwise, na vacham vijignasita. Kintu vaktaram vidyat. But you should know the vakta. Vakta means jiva. The emphasis of this Purva Pakshi here, even when he is quoting Vedanta Vakya, his emphasis is only to know this Jiva, not Ishvara. इत्यादिना वागादि करणैर व्यापृतस्य कर्तुः एव वेदितव्यतां दर्शयति। वागादि करणैः व्यापृत, व्यापृत means व्यापृत, व्यापृत, व्यापृत प्री धातु पी आंग उपसर्ग पूर्वक प्री धातु पूर्णे। So here vyapruta means to do vyapara. Vagadi karnaihi vyaprutasya. The one who does vyapara with vagadi karna, that karta, kartuhu eva veditavyatam. Kartuhu veditavyata. Karta veditavyaha. Darshayati. Then further, avasthantar vishishto asamsari iti chet. Avasthantar Vishishta. Avasthantar Vishishta means which avastha? Sushupti avastha, which we read in Tika. Swapa avastha, Vishishta Jiva is asamsari. Asansari means he puts everything. He is asansari, he is Jagat Karta, but has Jagrat Swapna Sushupti avastha. Avasthantar Vishishta hai asamsari. He is asamsari. इति चेत् चोद्यमेव विवृणोति, that he is elaborating now. अथापि स्याद् यो जागरिते शब्दादि भुक् विज्ञानमयः स एव सुषुप्ताख्यम् अवस्थान्तरं गतो असंसारी परः प्रशासिता अन्यः स्यात् इति चेत्. The one who is in Jagrat Avastha, यो जागरिते शब्दादि भुक्, शब्दादीन भुंक्ते इति शब्दादि भुक्, who is Vijnanamaya in Jagrat Avastha, saha eva, that same in Sushupti Avastha, Susuptakhyam Avasthantaram Gataha, in that Avastha, Gataha means Prapta, Avasthantaram Praptaha Asamsari. There he becomes Asamsari. Paraha. टिप्पणी परमात्मा. 10 नंबर टिप्पणी पर इति अवस्था द्वय संबंधी स्वतः संसारी एव अयम जीवः स्वापाख्यम अवस्थान्तरम गतः परो भवति. एंड परः मीन्स परस्मात् एव जगत जन्म श्रुत्या उच्यते. एंड जगत जन्म इज जन्म स्थिति लय इज फ्रॉम परः. So this jiva in Jagrat Avastha is Bhokta. In Sushupti Avastha is Jagat Karta. So somebody might think this way. Prashasita Anyaha Syat iti chet. Means the same who is samsari in Jagrat is asamsari in Sushupti. So it sounds okay, but he is eliminating Ishvara there. Tika. Uktopapatti sattve api iti yavat. Athapi. Athapi means ukta upapatti satve. Even if there is some upapatti, yukti in this. न अवस्था भेदात वस्तु भेदस तथा अननुभवात अपराधांताच इति परिहरति. सिद्धांति or some Ekadeshi is doing parihara. That this will not work. Why? Because avastha bhedat vastu bheda is not seen anywhere. If I am samsari in Jagrat, in Sushupti also I am sansari only. Avastha bhedat vastu bhedah na. Why? Tatha ananubhavat. There is no such experience. In the world, sometimes let us say it probably will come, we may give this drishtanta that amra, for example, I think it comes in Naishkarmya Siddhi, this, when it is raw, avastha bheda, right? It has different dharma. It is sour, it is hard and green, etc. And there is no fragrance problem. Same amra, when it becomes ripe, then it has different dharma. So the question is, has dharmi changed? Dharma has changed. The whole nature has changed, let us say. So Purvapakshi may say that in Jagrat, he is totally of different nature, samsari. In Sushupti, that same samsari becomes asamsari. Siddhanti says, what is changing is not essential nature. And if the essential nature changes, it is not called essential. And then that soyam, this pratyabhigna, this is the same thing. So there is no such anubhava that thing has actually changed. Vastu bheda is not there due to avastha bheda. Aparadhanta cha, and it is not our siddhanta, it is aparadhanta. Iti pariharati. Na. Adrishtatvat. It is not seen in this way. Adrishtatvat, Purna Viram. Tika. Avastha bhedat वस्तु भेदा भावम दृष्टांतेन स्पष्टयति. अवस्था भेदा भावात वस्तु भेद, for that some दृष्टांत is given. दृष्टांतेन स्पष्टयति. नहि एवं धर्मकः पदार्थो दृष्टो अन्यत्र वैनाशिक सिद्धांतात्. एवं धर्मकः पदार्थो न दृष्टः, other than in Vainashika Siddhanta. Vainashika Siddhanta, because they will say every kshana it is changing. So now it is different, afterwards it will be different. That Anubhava Virodha is explained in the next Vakya. Nahi loke गौस्तिष्ठन् गच्छन् वा गौर्भवति शयानस्तु अश्वादि जात्यंतरम इति. This drishtanta sounds very good because while it is sitting or going, it is gau, and sleeping it becomes ashwa. It doesn't happen. So like that, avastha bhedat vastu bheda is not seen. Tatraiva hetvantaram aha nyayacha, and nyaya is also there, some yukti is there. यद धर्म को यह पदार्थ प्रमाणेन अवगतो भवति स देश काल अवस्थान्तरेषु अपि तद्धर्मक एव भवति. So in this, that's why I gave the drishtanta of Amra, that in the same desha kala, because of some parivartanam, avasthantare, tad dharmakaha is not necessarily true. Dharmi is same. Dharma can change. In Proud Grantha, such examples are given. Huh? Pakaja. So yad dharmakaha yaha padartha pramanena avagataha. So what Siddhanta is saying is that it is Amra, it will remain Amra. It will not become save, apple or something else. Naranga phalam or Kadali phalam or what is coconut called? Narikela phalam. So that doesn't happen. Sadesha kala avasthantareshu api taddharmaka eva bhavati. सचेत तद्धर्मकत्वं व्यभिचरति सर्वः प्रमाण व्यवहारो लुप्यते. If तद्धर्मकत्वं व्यभिचरति चेत सः padartha, if that dharmakatvam would change or transgress, all pramana vyavahar would go. Means like the child in Jagrat is human and when he is put to sleep he becomes monkey or something. But such stories are there, no? That in Sushupti, when at night time man becomes woman and then again daytime he will become man. In Bhagavatam, such examples are there. They are apavada. जागरादि विशिष्टस्यैव स्वाप वैशिष्ट्यात् तस्य संसारित्वात् न ईश्वरो अन्यो अस्ति इति उक्त्वा तद अभावे वादी सम्मतिम आह. जागरादि विशिष्टस्यैव स्वाप वैशिष्ट्यात्. The one who has jagaradi vishishta, that alone has swapa vaishishtyam. Jagaradi vishishtasyeva swapa vaishishtyat. Tasya samsaritvat, and that is samsari. Na ishvaro anyo asti iti uktva. Earlier he said there is no other ishvara. Na ishvaro anyo asti iti uktva. Tad abhave vadi sammatim aha. So the Purva Paksha for Purva Paksha, this is argument against that. Literally speaking, tad abhave vadi sammatim means 8 number tippani Ishwara abhava. So who is going to show Ishwara abhava? Ishwara abhava will be shown by तथा च न्यायविदः सांख्य मीमांसा कादयो असंसारिणो अभावं युक्तिशतैः प्रतिपादयन्ति. न्यायविदः असंसारिणः अभावम् and सांख्य मीमांसकादयः असंसारिण अभाव. So asamsari as Ishvara is not there in Sankhya and in Mimamsa. And in Nyaya, Atma is samsari only. There is no asamsari. In Jagrat, Swapna, Sushupti, all the time he is samsari. So separately you have to take. Because in Nyaya, Ishvara is there. Ishvara abhava is not there. But samsaritva remains for the Atma, Jiva. युक्ति शतैः प्रतिपादयन्ति. टीका तस्य देहित्वे अस्मदादि तुल्यत्वात् तदभावे मुक्तवत् जगत कर्तृत्व अयोगात् जीवानाम एव अदृष्ट द्वारा तत्कर्तृत्व संभवात् तस्य अकिंचित्करत्वम् इत्यादि भी इत्यर्थः. So this Siddhanta in Sankhya, in Mimamsa, and also in Nyaya, this Siddhanta is there. What is that? Who creates Jagat? So you and I create Jagat through our karma. There is no separate Ishvara who is Jagat Karta. Vedanta will say Ishvara is Jagat Karta who takes into account our karmas. But Sankhya doesn't accept Ishvara. Mimamsa doesn't accept Ishvara. And Nyaya also will say that this Ishvara, he doesn't create, we create through our karmas. That is this Vakya. Tasya dehitve asmadadi tulyatvad. If that Ishvara is Dehi, then he is also just like us. And tad abhave, deha abhave, muktavat jagat kartritva ayogat. If he is mukta, then he will not create jagat, jagat kartritva ayogat. And therefore, means tasya ishwarasya. You understood this vakya? Purvapakshi is asking this way. Ishvara is Dehi, means he is mukta or baddha. If he is baddha and he is Dehi, then he is just like us. If he is mukta, then he will not create anything. Mukta people don't do anything. Tad abhave muktavat jagat kartritva ayogat. Like Jivan Mukta, when he becomes Videha Mukta. And therefore, Jivanam eva kartritva. But how? Adrishta dwara. Jiva with their punya karma or papa karma will create everything. Like, for example, let us say if I am walking somewhere and somewhere there is a thorn and it pricks me and some wound is there, something happened. So I ask, how did this come here? So what is the answer? Your karma brought it here. Through wind, through some other means, somehow it appeared there. And you were supposed to walk from there. Like sometimes, people go somewhere, some accident happened. How did this vehicle come here at this time? Your karma brought this here. So, Jivanam eva adrishta dwara tat kartritva sambhava. And therefore, tasya ishwarasya akinchit karatvam. Ishvara has no role. Ityadi vihi ityartha. Jivo jagat janmadi hetur na bhavati. Tatra asamarthatvat. Pashanavat taccha samsaritvat. Iti shankate. Jivaha jagat janmadi hetur na bhavati. Why? Because Jiva is asamartha. How it will create jagat? First, he has to be there or jagat comes. Tatra asamarthatvat. Pashanavat taccha samsaritvat. Jiva is like jada, pashanavat. And Jiva is samsari. Iti shankate. Samsarino api jagat utpatti sthiti laya kriya kartritva vijnanasya abhavat ayuktam iti ched. Samsari will not be able to do all this. What? Jagat utpatti. So jagataha utpatti, jagataha sthiti, laya, kriya, kartritva, vijnanasya abhavat. all of this jiva cannot do. Ayuktam iti chet यन महता प्रपंचेन स्थापितम भवता शब्दादिभुक् संसारी एव अवस्थान्तर विशिष्टो जगतः कर्ता इति चेत यद what that you with so much effort महता प्रपंचेन स्थापितम, with all this effort you have established स्थापितम भवता शब्दादिभुक् संसारी एव अवस्थान्तर विशिष्टो जगतः कर्ता. ये शब्दादिभुक् संसारी अवस्थान्तर विशिष्ट है. तद असत. So whatever that you have established is not true. टीका ईश्वरस्य इव इति अपेः अर्थः संसारिणो अपि. That api is there in Bhashya. Sansarino api. Api means like Ishvara. ईश्वरस्य जगत उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय क्रिया कर्तृत्व विज्ञानस्य संभव. संसारिणः अपि न. और you said ईश्वरस्य अभावात् and संसारिणः भावात् इति न. संसारस्य ईश्वरस्य इव संसारिणः अपि जगत कर्तृत्वम् इति न. अयुक्तम प्राणादि कर्तृत्वम् इति शेषः. That jiva will make Hiranyagarbha etc. is not possible. संग्रह वाक्यम विवृणोति यन महता प्रपंचेन etc. टीका अभाष्य C4 number tippani, which we already saw. Lupyata is kupyata iti पाठांतरम. वार्तिके स्वभावमपि जह्याच्चेद अग्निः शीतो भवेत् ध्रुवम् सर्व प्रमाणकोपश्च सर्वं स्याद् अधरोत्तरम् इति. If a vastu changes its swabhava, then Agni will become Shita. And Sarva Pramana Kopa will happen where? Everywhere. Adhara Uttaram, below up everything. See further in Bhashya. यतो जगत उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय क्रिया कर्तृत्व विनाश शक्ति साधन अभाव है. करेक्ट. हाँ, विज्ञान. विज्ञान છે. બધું જાય છે. विनाश. यतो जगत उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय क्रिया कर्तृत्व विज्ञान शक्ति साधना भाव सर्वलोक प्रत्यक्ष संसारिणः. यतः यस्मात्. what is सर्वलोक प्रत्यक्ष? everybody sees this. what? जगत उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय क्रिया कर्तृत्व विज्ञान शक्ति साधन अभाव. For a jiva, there is abhava of all this. Jiva is not capable of creating anything. If jiva was capable, first thing he would do is remove his all problems. That itself he is not capable. Jagat utpatti sthiti to forget. Utpatti, Sthiti, Laya, Kriya, Kartritva, Vijnana, Shakti. This sadhana is not there in that jiva. Abhava. Sarva loka pratyaksha samsarina. सह कथम अस्मदादि ही संसारी मनसा अपि चिंतयितुम अशक्यम पृथिव्यादि विन्यास विशिष्टम जगन निर्मिनुयात अतो अयुक्तम इति चेत. How that jiva who is samsari, asmadadi hi samsari, one of us who is samsari, manasapi chintaitum ashakyam prithvyadi vinyasa vishishtam. What is incapable of even thinking? Whereas what is Swarga, what is Patala, what is Brahmaloka, we have no idea. So, and what goes up, what goes down, this vinyasa, who goes up, who goes down, all this division, who will be able to do? In sadharana, let's say 10 people are together. You say you go up, you go down, these two will fight. They will fight with the person who allocates this person. You go up, you go down. They'll fight. You say two other people, you sit here, you sit there, they will fight with each other. They will say, no, why you are saying this, why you are. With 10 people, this is the situation. What happens when there are the whole Brahmand and you become, Bhagavan also has, Bhagavan makes somebody Indra, somebody else says, I want to become Indra now. But he has the power to handle everybody. And he knows, if I have to go and beg something, I will do it just so that order remains in the system, in the creation. Vishishtam Jagan Nirminuyat. Nirminuyat Shabda we will have to see. We will see in the following session. Ato ayuktam. Therefore, your proposition, whatever that Purvapakshi has said, is inappropriate. Iti chet. Na. Tika. Kalatyapadeshena dushayati. What is Kalatyapadesha? This word comes in some shastras. See, Pakshe Sadhya, 18 number. Pakshe Sadhya Bhavatmaka Bhadena Hetva Bhasena Sadhya Kala Bhave Pakshe Hetoho Prayogaha Kalatyapadesho Nama Hetoho Dosha. Kalatyapadishta, this Hetu you have seen in Tarka Sangra, this Shabda has come. Pakshe Sadhya Abhavatmaka Badhena Hetu Abhasena Sadhya Kala Abhave Pakshe Hetoho Prayoga. In Parvata, let us say you see dust storm. And then you think it is Dhuma. It is Hetu Abhasa. Hetu is not, there is no Dhuma. You thought it is Dhuma. Based on that Dhuma, you did Vyapti. What? Yatrata Dhuma Tatra Vanni. So Vanni is there in Paksha. This is that kind. Pakshe Sadhya Abhavatmaka Badena Hetu Abhasena Sadhya Kala Abhave. When you want to do Sadhya Siddhi, Pakshe Hetu Ho Prayoga. You are doing Hetu Prayoga in Paksha where there is Hetu Abhava. This is Kalatyapadesha. But there could be more to this. This is just from this Tippani, this is the meaning. So because there is no dhuma, there will be sadhya bhava. It can happen that from dust you do vyapti in paksha, that there will be one knee, and by accident you got one knee. This is also possible. So what is the reason now? Kalatyapadeshena dushayati. Purvapakshi is showing dosha in what Siddhanti says. He said, na. Because he finds some uddharana. Shastrat shastram samsarinah evam अस्माद आत्मनः इति जगद उत्पत्त्यादि दर्शयति. This evam अस्माद आत्मनः prana and all those things which are shown in this mantra, that Shastra shows asmat. Asmat means from this samsari alone. Darshayati. Tasmat sarvam shraddheyam iti syad ayam ekah paksha. Therefore, one paksha will be, you should have Shraddha. What Shastra says. So this person is studying Shastra, he takes in Jagrat, Swapna, he is Samsari. In Sushupti, Asamsari, and from this Asamsari comes Jagat. Jagad Utpatyadi Darshayati. This is Nirishwar Vadam Upasamharati. So Nirishwar Vada of this Sankhya, etc. is concluded. Because he said earlier, Seshwarvadi, if you see, what was said? Seshwarvadi is showing objection, and Purvapaksha is refuting all of that. Now, one paksha is done. Now, second paksha is, Siddhanti says, but there are all these quotations. Yaha sarvagnaha sarvavit. So, tika, Seshwarvadam utthapayati. What is Seshwarvada now? Somebody says that Ishvara is there. How can you bypass Ishvara? Yaha sarvagnaha sarvavit. Yo ashanaya pipase atyeti. असंगो नहि सज्जते एतस्य वा अक्षरस्य प्रशासने गार्गी यः सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन् अंतर्याम्यमृतः सः यस्तान् पुरुषान् निरुह्य अत्यक्रामत् स वा एष महानज आत्मा एष सेतुर्विधरणः सर्वस्य वशी सर्वस्य ईशानः. So if you see all the quotations, their numbers are given. Mundaka 119 onwards up to 4422. Brahadaranyaka. Mostly all are Brahadaranyaka only. Then ya atma apahata papma vijaro vimrutyuhu tat tejo asrajata आत्मा वा इदमेक एवाग्र आसीत् न लिप्यते लोक दुःखेन बाह्यः इत्यादि श्रुति शतेभ्यः ईश्वरस्य सिद्धि. स्मृति इज आल्सो देयर. स्मृतेश्च अहम सर्वस्य प्रभवो मत्तः सर्वं प्रवर्तते. देन इति मत्वा भजन्ते माम उदाभाव समन्विताः इति परो अस्ति असंसारी Shruti Smriti Nyayebhyascha such a karanam jagatah. And this asansari who is there based on Shruti Smriti Nyaya, and he is Jagat Karanam, Jagataha Karanam. Tika Tan Prithibhyadi Abhimaninaha. Okay, we will see this in the following session. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।